not showing on your Instagram. So the first thing, guys, you need to do, you want to open your app store. Okay, now just wait for me. I'm going to show you a few methods on how you can fix this problem. Now the first method, guys, open your app store or Play Store and search for Instagram. Now next to Instagram, it says for me open, but if you haven't updated the app to the latest version, you want to update it to the latest version so that Instagram will add that feature on your Instagram. Just click on Instagram and then click update and wait for it to update. Now wait like 12 seconds and check if that feature has been added to your account or not. Now if that's not the case, you want to open your settings if you are using iPhone or Android, and then you want to search for general, and then you want to search for language and region, and then you want to click on iPhone language and change it to UK English. Okay, change it to UK English and click on UK English and see if you can see that feature like this. As you can see here, you will see it in the top left. You will see that feature where it says living and not. Now if it doesn't show up, you want to click in the video in the screen right now and you will be able to fix this problem, because I have